morning, guys. So yeah, say good morning. So I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas this year. I am alive. We're alive. We're good. Right, Fia? We're on our way to drop Sophia off to school. I didn't work today, so I'm gonna go drop her off, and I have to go run some errands. I have to go to the doctor's today. So yeah. So welcome to Vlogmas. I'm actually excited to film again. I've actually missed you guys, but yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog today. Right now I'm vlogging on my phone because I actually forgot my camera, even though I said I was gonna start Vlogmas. Thank you, baby. But yeah, I am excited. So I dropped Sophia off already. She's not in the car. But I went to my doctor's appointment already, and then I stopped by Xfinity to return something. Now I'm just going home to do a whole bunch of cleaning in the house because we hosted Thanksgiving dinner at our house, and then 2 days later we had Sophia's like birthday party in our house. So for the most part I did clean up already, like, you know, put everything back to its place, but I still have to finish up a little and have a whole bunch of laundry to do. So yeah, that's my day off. I'm just gonna be doing laundry at home, cleaning up. But yeah, I have missed you guys. Right now I'm like driving. I probably shouldn't even be driving and holding my phone, but yeah, I have no makeup on today. Yeah, I have missed you guys so much. I haven't been filming because I'll probably tell you guys a little bit more once I get home, because this is not safe at all. If I would have my camera, I would just put it on my dashboard and then I'll be, you know, good. But yeah, I'm going home right now, and as soon as I get home, I will talk to you guys there because I'm not trying to get a ticket. All right, guys, I am home, and I got my camera. I look a little blurry. I don't know why. But yeah, so I got home, and I'm just about to start cleaning. I need to organize this closet real bad because, look, it's just horrible. Does anybody else have like a junk closet you just put all your shit in? Because that's mine. But yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning. I'll show you guys. So I just did this like balloon arch for Sophia. This is where we took her pictures and had her cake and everything. And then just over here, small little decor. We had 2 tables here. But yeah, I already organized everything. I put the couches back. I just got to put all her toys back because this is where we have her toys. We have our toys down here because we used to have them upstairs in like the bonus room we have, but now we have a movie theater in there. So yeah, I took them out. But even though when we had them up there, she wouldn't play up there. She hates being by herself. She would always like bring her toys downstairs. So I'm like, hey, let me just move it back down here because it used to be down here. So I just put it back down here. So yeah, that's how we have it. So I have to just kind of put everything back. Wow, it's super cold today. Not really. I mean, it's cold, but it's windy outside. I'm finished doing laundry, and I have to clean her hamster. Sophia's hamster. I have to clean the cage. Does anybody want a hamster? I will give them to you for free. Everything. Food. Cage. I'm tired of it. Later on, I will kind of sit down and just kind of talk to you guys about why I was off, or I wasn't filming or even doing makeup videos for, I want to say, 2 years. It's going to be 2 years because I did Vlogmas 2018, and I was active on my YouTube during that whole year. I haven't even been active on my social media, you guys. I have not posted a selfie. I haven't posted a picture. I like rarely even, I think I probably posted like 1 or 2 selfies on my Snapchat this whole year. I just have not, I don't know, I just haven't been taking pictures. I haven't been doing my makeup. Like literally, this is how you will find me every day. For the whole 2020, this is how I was. For 2019, this is how I was. Like no makeup, no nothing. But I will sit down later on with you guys and just kind of explain as to why I was just kind of like MIA.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos.
So I've been really into drinking lemon water, like ice cold lemon water. Like I have my jug I take to work, tub of water. I take it to work every day. And at first I was just drinking it like with my collagen in it, but then lately I have just really been into ice cold lemon water, like lemon or lime water, I guess. So good. Now back to cleaning. I don't know about you guys, or if you have hardwood floors in your homes, but I hate them. Dirty so fast. I literally just vacuumed and mopped the other day, like 2 days ago, and I have to vacuum again. Like I really want to get the the Roomba. I don't know, the little vacuum that just goes by itself around, you know, and just vacuums the floor, because I hate vacuuming. I feel like I'm vacuuming every single day. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. How many of y'all feel the same way like me? Because I hate hardwood floors. Just finished vacuuming here, the living room and the breakfast and the kitchen. I'm just gonna clean Sophia's hamster, like the cage, real quickly, because I have to go pick her up. I have to leave the house like in 10 minutes. To go pick her up from school. She only goes to she's in pre-K. She turned 5. She turns 5 in November, and here in, you know, where we live in Georgia, if you turn 5 after September, then you miss a whole year. You know, so she should have been like in kindergarten, but she misses a whole year because she's born in late November. So she's in pre-K, but she goes to pre-K only for 4 hours a day. So I have to leave the house like in 10 minutes. So I'm going to clean her hamster's cage real quickly. Let me show you guys him. She named him Snowflake. Snowflake. While I clean his cage, I put him in this little hamster ball thing so he can walk around. So I just let him walk around the house, or roll around the house in a little ball while I clean the cage. Does anybody else have like a drawer full of, you know, grocery bags? That's my drawer. That's where I keep mine. So I just picked Sophia up. I forgot my camera because I was in a rush. But just hi, Sophia. How was school? Yeah. They say happy birthday to her because her birthday was over the weekend. So they say happy birthday. You had fun? Mm-hmm. ¿Tienes hambre? Mm-hmm. What do you want to eat?
Wings.
Wings?
Yeah.
¿Quieres wings or you want Chick-fil-A?
I want wings.
¿Con arroz?
No.
¿Con french fries?
No.
¿Solo wings?
Yes.
Okay. Alright then, so we're gonna go get her some wings. And we'll check back with you guys when we get home because I can't be driving and vlogging.
So I wanted to vlog, but we can go there. Learn by myself. So this one. Just look good. Oh, this world is my birthday, so what? Have to be my birthday. What? Oh, Mary. See, I made that song by myself. It's my birthday.
Alright guys, so we're back.
Hi. I'm eating. So my mom's phone was in the car. It was not charged.
So we got her wings. She's eating, and yeah, so I'm just gonna finish cleaning up. I finished cleaning her hamster's cage, but I left them here. We give him grapes. I don't know if it's healthy, but we do.
Hi, boobs.
Just eating them. So yeah, so I cleaned him. I'm gonna put him back where he usually goes. I finished downstairs, but I'm gonna clean my daughter's room right now. Can't believe I'm showing this, but this is how her room looks like right now. It's a little messy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up for her. Then I'll move on to the restrooms because I already cleaned the restroom downstairs. But yeah, like I said, I'm just spending my day off just cleaning the house, but it's, you know, gotta do what you gotta do.
No quiero perder el ritmo y más allá.
I'm all done cleaning Sophia's room. I didn't even record it, but this is how her room looks now. I put her like LOL dream house thing. I don't know what it's called, but she got it for her birthday from my mom and her mom's husband. They got it for her. So I put it there and then put her little toy chest thing, storage, whatever it's called there. And then her little vanity over there. I'm going to end up getting rid of this. I'm slowly like taking toys out to like go donate like toys I know she doesn't even use. I'm like taking them out and I'm going to go donate them. But right now she's here. So when she's here, it's hard because she's like, I use it. I still use it. And I'm like, bro, no you don't. So I slowly take out like toys that I know she doesn't use and I just put them in a bag so I could go donate them. But yeah, I'm gonna be getting rid of that, and there'll be more space in here because she has some toys downstairs and I have some toys up here, because if I have all of them downstairs, they're not gonna fit all downstairs. So I have like a couple up here and some down there. But yeah, we are all done with her room. Finished organizing it. Now I'm gonna go clean the bathrooms. So my bathroom and her bathroom. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's all I'm gonna do today. I'm still doing laundry. I'm doing my laundry, Sophia's laundry. I may start my husband's laundry or may start it tomorrow, but yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm still cleaning.
De la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá.
Alright guys, so I'm just here. I'm making my husband's company t-shirts. I've only made one and he needs more than one obviously, so I'm just here cutting the vinyl. I bought this Cricut maker just to make his shirts. I'll show you guys the logo in a bit. My sister-in-law actually designed the logo herself. She actually has her own Etsy shop. That's how you say it. It's called Simba Studios, and I will link her Etsy shop down below. When you go on her website, you may see a lot of Bad Bunny merch, but she does do custom designs as well. All right, she doesn't just sell Bad Bunny. She does make custom designs, whatever you'd like. She could create it for you. Like I said, she created this design for us, and I'm just making it. She makes the shirts. I just decided to make the shirts because I have a Cricut maker, but she does, you know, if you order from her, she'll make the shirts. She'll create whatever you'd like. So I'll go ahead and link it down below, but as soon as it prints out, we'll show you guys the logo she created. No, she designed. I'll show you guys the logo she designed.
You're vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Okay, look. You just hear my mommy. I mean, look, I made.
Let's see.
Hey, why do you need to do this for?
For Puppy.
For Puppy?
Mm-hmm. Battery's about to die. But I'm just weeding the vinyl. I guess that's how you say it. So you want to take off whatever you don't need. It's really pretty easy. It's the first time I use this vinyl. We bought it at a wholesale t-shirt place. Like they sell t-shirts, vinyl, and all that kind of stuff. I usually use the Cricut, like this one, the Cricut Everyday Iron-On. But I wanted to try this because we bought this, and let's see if it works because I have never used it. So you can kind of see the logo here. My husband's company is called Rubio Remodeling, so she did R with the hammer. It's very, very nice, very unique. So like I said, she does do custom designs. I'll go ahead and leave all her information linked down below. Her Instagram, her Etsy, her TikTok, everything.